Hello, my name is Phoenix. Today I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite chicken breast recipes with you. It is also from the AIP Indian Fusion Cookbook. If you've seen my cauliflower rice pilaf video, you're familiar with that book already. But this is called Turmeric Lemon Chicken. I love this recipe not only because it tastes good, but because it is so quick and easy to make. And when I really don't feel like doing a whole lot of cooking on a particular day because I've cooked all week or I've cooked for the week, this is a great way to get a healthy meal and it tastes delicious. So I'm going to show you how I make it. So my oven is already preheated to 400 degrees. And I have 3 beautiful chicken breasts already on a pan, washed. I like to use antibiotic-free and organic chicken, vegetarian fed. So all of my ingredients here, let me tell you what I have. Make sure that you can see these. All right, so I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Fresh squeeze is what I like to use. I have 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, not the ground thyme, but the dried thyme. And I have 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And most of these ingredients I got from Whole Foods because that's where I like to shop. All right, so I'm going to take my biggest bowl and pour in my other ingredients into there. So I'm going to pour the olive oil into the lemon juice, and then I'm going to pour the dry ingredients, the turmeric powder, the garlic powder, and the Himalayan salt, and the Italian seasoning and dried thyme. All right, so all of that's in my bowl. I like to use a whisk. I'm going to whisk this all around and make sure it's evenly distributed throughout the olive oil and the lemon juice. All right, so there's the beautiful color. Now, I'm going to pour it over my chicken breast. So I've got my chicken breast, and I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but after washing them, there's a little bit of water in the pan. I don't want that because I don't want to dilute my lemon turmeric flavor. So I'm just going to pour this out, the extra liquid, so that I can get as much flavor out of this dish as I can. All right, so very easy. I just pour my lemon turmeric mix over the chicken breast, and I try to coat. You don't have to be too picky about it because it's gonna bake in the oven and the flavors will bake in. And voila, lemon turmeric chicken ready to go in the oven. All right, so I'm going to step away, put this in the oven, and I'm going to give it, I'm just checking my book, I'm going to give it 15 minutes at 400 on that side, and then after 15 minutes, I'm going to flip it over and cook for 5 minutes on the other side. Now, while that's cooking, I am going to prepare one of my favorite vegetables, which is rainbow chard. And I'm going to wash my hands really quickly. I'll be right back because I just touched the chicken breast and I don't want to touch my veggies, even though they're going to cook, with my hands. All right, so now that I've washed my hands, I'm ready to work on my rainbow chard. So I have 2 bunches of rainbow chard that have already been washed and the stems have been removed. I'm going to put some extra virgin olive oil in my cast iron skillet and heat it on medium. And I use about 2 tablespoons of olive oil for the amount of chard that I have. So I'm going to heat that. And I want to talk to you a little bit about black garlic. So one of my favorite managers at a restaurant that I used to frequent introduced me to black garlic and told me that black garlic has exponentially more antioxidants than white garlic. It's richer in antioxidants. So I love to use this whenever I have the opportunity to do so. So I'm going to add black garlic and Himalayan salt to my rainbow chard, and I'm going to saute it for about 5 minutes until it's soft but not like soggy. And I'm going to put that with my lemon turmeric chicken for a very healthy dinner. So I will be back when my pan is hot, and I will put all the ingredients in there and let you see the finished product. All right, so my skillet is heating up. It's on a setting of about 5 or 6. I'm gonna I have 2 heads of black garlic. By the way, the flavor, if you're wondering, well, what is the flavor of black garlic like? Does it taste like white garlic? It does not taste anything like white garlic. It has a balsamic-y flavor that goes nicely with veggies like spinach and chard. So 2 heads. I'm gonna toss that in my skillet. I'm going to take my chard and I'm going to put that. You're probably going to hear some sizzling from the water dripping. Oh, it's not hot enough yet, so we don't hear that. And I'm going to sprinkle a little pink Himalayan salt on the chard, and I'm going to stir that up. And like I said, it will take about 5 minutes before it's done, and it will go great with the turmeric lemon chicken. I will be back when everything's done to show you how it looks on a plate. I have prepared my plate, which I'm not ready to eat yet. I'm not going to take a bite yet because I have a session with my personal trainer. I'm going to work out first and then come home and enjoy this delicious meal. Please remember to like, subscribe, and add a comment. And I also want to share that this lemon turmeric chicken chard will go beautifully with my cauliflower rice pilaf, which was in my first video from the same cookbook where I got this lemon turmeric chicken recipe. So if you want a meal with a protein and 2 sides, I recommend the cauliflower rice pilaf. All right, bon appetit. Hope you enjoy. Please remember, like, subscribe, and add a comment. Till next time.